everyone, this is Python's Extreme here today, and today we are going to do a tutorial on how to split logs. Alright, let's start up with the tools that we are going to use. This is a hatchet. So the hatchet is used for cutting up kindling, which you will use to start the fire. Have it there. This is the axe. The axe you use to cut up is what you use to cut up small branches. But today, what we want to talk about is the big boy, the log splitter, the thing that you actually split the logs with. It's in the name. Alright, so let's start up with safety. Now a lot of people think, oh, safety, psh, don't need safety. Well, you do, because you don't want to get hurt. So have gloves to protect your hands from splinters, and have glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. Alright, so let's start up with this. This is another tool that we will have. This is a log, as you can see, but you are going to be putting your log on this log. Now, you might be wondering, why are you going to have a log there? Well, it's because your maximum amount of force is going to be right there. And it will help you split the log with ease. If you have the log on the ground, the ground will take the impact. So you want a nice and hard surface to take the impact so that it just won't bounce back up. If you look, you can see that there is a crack right here in the piece of wood. So what you will want to do is you are going to want to aim for that crack. Now, you don't want to aim for the center. You might think that at first, but that's not what you want to do, because you have to search for the cracks, and the cracks will help it split the log in half with ease. So look for all the cracks. Here's one here. Can't really see that one. There, and there. All right, so let's see if we can do this. Oh, first, the method. Always aim, have one leg in front of the other, have this here, and lean back. Make sure that you have it the right distance, because if you get it there, it'll just vibrate all the way up to your hands and it'll really hurt. So you want to have it like that. But remember, as you bring it down, slide your hand down, because the log splitter will take all the force, because if you feel that is really heavy. And also, the area around me is clear. There's no one nearby except for my cameraman, and there's no one who will probably come round. So bits of debris might go flying everywhere, and you don't want someone to be hurt. I have my glasses to protect my eyes from debris, and my gloves to protect me from splinters that might fly. Alright. But remember, you don't always get the first shot first time. So this may take some practice. I'm still practicing myself. So there's no cracks here, so we are going to just make our own crack. Remember, look for the shortest possible way to the outside. You don't want to go like this, because that's not going to achieve anything. You want to go like that. Give me my wood. Woohoo! Alright, so I'm pretty sure this should be enough for our fire, so I'm going to pile it. Debris should be enough, as I said. Pile it all up. And I'm going to get back to splitting all of this wood. We have a lot to split. Alright, so please like my video, subscribe to it, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching this. This is Python's Extreme. Have a lovely day. You know what they say, wood warms you twice, when you cut it and when you burn it. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.